Ever wondered about running a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? I manage over 9 such channels, and the one you're watching now is just one example. Stick around to discover how you can do the same and potentially earn a substantial income. The first step to earning money on YouTube with these automated channels is to pick a niche. A niche is simply a specific content category. By focusing on a niche, you attract a dedicated audience that engages more with your videos. This engagement can lead to rapid channel growth and significant earning potential once your channel is eligible for monetization. Selecting the right niche from the hundreds available can be a daunting task, especially when starting. Many people find themselves at a standstill, unsure of which niche ideas to choose. That's precisely why I've created this video to prevent you from selecting an unsuitable niche. Whether you're contemplating which niche to pursue or considering adding another faceless channel to your existing portfolio, it's crucial to steer clear of certain niches. In this video, I'll guide you on which YouTube niches to avoid at all costs. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic, identifying the 13 YouTube automation niches you should avoid at all costs. Knowing which paths not to take can be just as important as knowing which ones to pursue. I'm here to guide you through these pitfalls, ensuring you make informed decisions for your YouTube journey. The first niche to steer clear of is compilation videos. These are simply collections of various clips downloaded from different sources, merged into one video, and then uploaded to YouTube. It might seem like an easy content strategy, but there are significant reasons to avoid this path, which we'll explore in detail. You might wonder, what's the issue with compilation videos? Several critical drawbacks could hinder your ability to earn money fast from this type of content. The primary concern is that compilations typically aren't transformative in nature. They don't usually qualify as fair use. Let's delve into why this lack of transformation and fair use status can be problematic for your channel's monetization and long-term success. Fair use is a legal rule that may allow creators to repurpose existing YouTube content, but only if they significantly alter its nature and add meaningful commentary. This transformation and added commentary are key to making the content distinct and original. Keep in mind that I'm not a legal professional. This is just my basic interpretation of fair use. It's a nuanced concept, and it's particularly challenging for compilation videos to meet these standards of substantial change and commentary. The issue with compilation videos is their lack of transformation. Without adding elements like voiceovers or significant changes, these videos don't qualify as transformative. This often leads to copyright claims from original content owners. Furthermore, YouTube typically does not monetize many compilation videos due to these reasons. Their non-transformative nature and the risk of copyright infringement make them a less viable option for generating income on the platform. You've likely come across numerous compilation videos, from animal collections to TikTok compilations re-uploaded on YouTube. You might think, but these videos are getting millions of views. That's true, they often attract a large audience. However, it's essential to consider the financial aspect of your channel. While high viewership is great, the ultimate goal for many is to earn revenue. The second niche to avoid for faceless YouTube channels is meditation or relaxation videos. This might be surprising, especially since I recently uploaded a video titled How to Create Lo-Fi Monetize Faceless Channel. You might be wondering why I'm advising against this niche now. The reason is that many creators approach meditation videos incorrectly. A common mistake is to just download music from the YouTube audio library, pair it with royalty-free footage from sites like Pexels.com or Pixabay.com, upload this combination, and label it as meditation or relaxation music. This method lacks originality and creativity. The issue is that this approach isn't original enough for YouTube to consistently favor such content. As a result, many of these channels struggle to get monetized or end up being demonetized. My goal is to help you earn sustainable long-term income from YouTube. So, if you're considering meditation or relaxation videos, it's crucial to do them the right way. It's quite straightforward to create these videos properly. For guided meditation, use a human voiceover to provide instructions or affirmations. If you're focusing on instrumental music, ensure that you either commission it from a professional on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, which means you own the rights, or create the music yourself. The third niche to avoid is motivational content. You've likely seen videos featuring motivational speeches from well-known figures. While these can attract a lot of views, they encounter the same fair use issues discussed earlier. Using speeches without transforming or adding significant original content can lead to monetization challenges and potential copyright claims. To create motivational videos correctly and potentially earn long-term income, it's essential to use your own words and provide original voiceovers. Channels like Brainy Dose are excellent examples of this approach. They produce content that is unique and engaging, using original narration and perspectives, which aligns better with YouTube's guidelines for monetization. Topic 4. To steer clear of faceless YouTube content involves channels for children. You may wonder, why should kids' channels be avoided? Children's channels attract a high number of views on YouTube, leading to the question, what's the issue with that? The challenge lies in the fact that these channels earn a minimal amount per 1,000 views. This is primarily because of YouTube's adherence to COPPA, the Child Online Privacy Protection Act. From my understanding, COPPA stipulates that advertisers are not permitted to place targeted ads towards children. Consequently, CPMs, cost per 1,000 views, are significantly lower for children's content compared to content aimed at older audiences. In this context, children refers to individuals who are 13 years old or younger. When uploading content, you're required to indicate whether it is intended for children or not by selecting either yes or no. This is why I recommend avoiding children's content if possible. There are many other niches that offer greater financial potential. The fifth niche to steer clear of on YouTube for faceless niche channels is non-advertiser-friendly content. This category might appear vague, but it becomes straightforward once you grasp what types of content advertisers prefer to associate their ads with and what they tend to avoid. The sixth niche to steer clear of is AI-generated content. You might argue that AI technology has significantly improved recently, questioning why you shouldn't use robot voices or any AI video generation tools available. The reason to avoid AI content is that many of these tools are not of high quality. For instance, numerous robot voiceover tools lack natural sound quality. I've observed several students struggle to get monetized using such content. However, it's worth noting that there are excellent text-to-speech voiceover platforms like 11 Labs, which I find more acceptable. The seventh niche to avoid on YouTube for automation channels involves music and lyric videos. This is straightforward. Re-uploading music on YouTube may lead to copyright flags, preventing you from monetizing the content. When a video is claimed for copyright infringement, the revenue generated is typically redirected to the claimant, often the music owner. This applies to lyric videos or any content using copyrighted music without authorization. Therefore, if you plan to include music in your videos, it's advisable to explore resources like the YouTube Audio Library, which offers a wide range of free music options. The eighth niche to avoid is gaming content. You might be wondering why, given the millions of views gaming videos often receive on YouTube. The issue is the oversaturation of this space. Thousands of gaming channels emerge, each focusing on specific games. Unless your content stands out or offers something unique compared to existing gaming channels, there are potentially more promising niches to explore. While it's true that new gaming channels can still become successful, furthermore, some games require explicit permission from the game developers to be played and shown on YouTube. Therefore, it's crucial to research whether a game is copyrighted and ensure you have the necessary permissions to upload gameplay content to YouTube. This step is vital to avoid potential copyright issues and to operate within the platform's guidelines. Most games now include privacy policies and terms and conditions, which you can review to determine their policies on YouTube content. Niche number 9. Content with copyright issues. Avoid niches that are prone to copyright infringement, such as uploading movie clips, music videos, or TV show segments without permission. Niche number 10. Illegal or unethical content. Avoid any content that promotes illegal activities or unethical behavior, as this can lead to serious legal issues and channel termination. Niche number 11. Health and medical advice. Unless you are a qualified professional, providing health or medical advice can be legally risky and unethical. Niche number 12. Financial advice without expertise. Giving financial or investment advice without proper qualifications can be misleading and potentially harmful to your audience. Niche number 13. Highly technical DIY or educational content. If you're not an expert, overly technical DIY, educational, or how-to content could mislead viewers or result in a lack of credibility. Deciding where to focus your time and effort in terms of content type and niche selection is an excellent question. In my opinion, some of the most promising niches on YouTube include finance, fitness and diet, technology, and travel. These areas offer great potential for content creation, especially for faceless YouTube channels ideas. To explore more about the best niches for faceless YouTube content, I recommend watching the video in this playlist, where I delve deeper into this topic and provide detailed insights. Check out the video right here in my YouTube channel Ideas Without Showing Your Face playlist for a comprehensive guide on choosing the right niche for your channel. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. For more insightful tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for future content. If you're interested in this new free AI tool can create consistent character and AI influencers, click on the left. If you want to watch, I found the best high RPM niche TikTok creativity program, beta Reddit stories automation tutorial, full course in one video, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.